Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to see about financial projections and financial appraisal. The topics which will be covered in this video are principles of financial projections and various steps of financial appraisal. Principles of financial projections. For making projections as well as the analysis of the projections of cash flows, the following principles are normally followed. The first principle is incremental principle. It is the method by which the analysis of the cash flow is done, assuming as to what will be additional cash flow between when the project is there and if the project were not to be there. The guidelines are: consider all incremental effects, ignore sunk cost, then include opportunity cost, and question the allocation of overhead cost. The next principle is long-term funds principle. Based on the rate of discount for long-term funds, the projections need made and assessed. The next principle is exclusion of financing cost principle. The interest on long-term debt is ignored while computing the profits and taxes. The expected dividends are also considered as irrelevant in such an analysis. The next principle is post-tax principle. Here, tax provisions are appropriately made in the projections. Various steps of financial appraisal. The first step is to consider past performance, both physical and financial, and this is applicable only for existing company. Then consider the cost of project, that is the cost of land, site development, buildings and civil works, plant and machinery, fixed assets, tech know-how, preliminary and pre-op expenses, that is pre-operational expenses, then contingencies, and finally margin money for working capital. The next step is to consider the means of financing. In this, the main factors which needs consideration are optimum capital structure, then equity, depth, off balance sheets, and ratios on completion of projects. The next step is to consider profitability projections. That is the date of commencement of commercial production, number of working days in a year, and number of shifts per day, then capacity utilization. The other profitability projections to be considered in a financial appraisal are product mix, selling prices and exports, then byproducts and waste as per norms, then stores and spares in cost per output. Then the power consumption is also to be considered. Then the salaries and wages, that is cost per annum for managerial supervisors, skilled, unskilled and semi-skilled employees, contract employees, etc. And there will be increased by 10% every year. And then the repairs and maintenance in the organization is also to be considered. And then the packing expenses on actual basis is also to be considered. And the other profitability projections to be considered are selling expenses, that is promotion, advertisement, royalty, etc. Usually it will be a percentage of sales. Then admin expenses, that is insurance, telephone bills, travel, stationery items, rents, rates, taxes, postal, etc. Then interest, and then depreciation cost, and then tax, that is net of incentives, and then multi-divisional company projections are based on existing operations. So the next step in financial appraisal is to perform a sensitivity analysis. For this, the first step is to identify the key risk variables. Some of the key risk variables are RM constant coefficient, RM prices, FG prices, power consumption norms, etc. So the next step is to conduct sensitivity analysis to the project on these variables. And then if the project is viable under sensitivity, it shows the reasonable strength of the project. And that's it for this video. Thank you.